Hello and welcome to our Google Classroom training. Our world shut down about a year ago and teachers were forced into the world of technology. We worked together to work on the ins and outs of Google Classroom. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Google Classroom and add assignments.
The first thing you will need to do is find Google Chrome on your home screen. Once you click on it, it should direct you to the Google home page. You will need to make sure that the Google account you want to use for your Google Classroom is in the top right corner. You will then click on the grid next to that. Go ahead and click on Google Classroom, which will direct you to the Google Classroom home screen. You can also get to this by typing in classroom.google.com. To create a new class, you will want to click the plus button in the top right corner. Then click Create Class. You may skip linking to your student information system if you would like. I'm going to skip that part. You will then create your class's name. I'm going to create Miss Campbell's Home Room. You may choose to add a section, subject, and room if you would like, but those are not required. Once you've clicked your name, go ahead and click on Create. After creating, you should be directed to the new Google Classroom's home screen. You have multiple tabs at the top on your home screen. You have the Stream page, the Classwork tab, People, and Grades. The Stream page is your home page. You can upload a new photo or select a different theme. This is where you will communicate with your class. You will create announcements for your class, and you will respond to student posts. You can allow students to post on this page, or you can turn off their access to post. The next tab is the Classwork tab. You will create your assignments here. Students will be able to see their assignments and any topics you've created here. The People tab shows any teachers and students in your class. The Grades show any grades that you have given to your students. To create an assignment, choose the Create button on the Classwork tab. I would create a topic first. The first topic I create is reading. I may also choose math independent work. You can create as many topics as you would like. Sometimes I do writing as well if I'm sharing the Google Classroom with all subjects. Students will only see topics that have assignments attached to the topic. We are going to create an assignment for math independent work called Fraction Practice. You will want to choose a title that allows your students to find the assignment easily. You can include instructions for your students if you would like. You can create an assignment using any of the Google tools, or you can add an assignment that you have already created from your Google Drive, your computer. You can add a link to a website, or you can add a YouTube video. I'm going to add an assignment from my Google Drive. You will see recent. If you would like to upload, you can drag a file from your computer. You can look through your drive for files that you see all your folders on. I'm going to look for my file from my drive. I know exactly where to locate my file. If I did not know where my file was, I could search it in Drive using the search tool. You can allow students to view a file, edit a file directly, or make a copy for each student to edit their own files. I suggest making a copy for each student if you would like students to edit the file. If you would like a whole class project, you can allow students to edit a file directly. After choosing your assignment, you can assign to multiple classes if you have multiple classes, only certain students. Once you have students added to your class, they will all appear here. You can decide how many points you would like the assignment to be worth. I'm going to keep this ungraded. I am not going to create a due date for this, but you may create due dates if you would like. This will let you know if students turn in the assignment late, but it will not close the assignment. You can also choose which topic. If you have not created a topic, you can create it here. I'm going to choose math independent work. You can add a rubric if you would like. If you would not like students to see this assignment automatically, you can schedule it for a later date. You can also save as a draft if you have more work or more materials that you would like to add. I am going to go ahead and assign this assignment for students. Once assigned, students will need to refresh their Google Classroom page or log in again if they are already logged in order to see the assignment. Students will then click on it to work on it. That is how you create an assignment in your Google Classroom.
I hope this video comes in handy when setting up your Google Classroom for the 2021-2022 school year. Head on down to my room on the Yellow Hall, room 108, if you have any other questions about Google Classroom. Good luck and remember to get googly.